In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Pop in Gmail. If you've ever wanted to download your Gmail messages into a desktop app like Outlook, Apple Mail, or Thunderbird, Pop is the feature that makes that possible. It lets your email client fetch a copy of your messages from Gmail so you can read them offline and manage them on your computer. I'll walk you through turning it on and share a few tips so everything works smoothly. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser while signed in to your account. In the top right corner, click the gear icon to open Quick Settings, then choose See All Settings. This takes you to the full settings page, where you'll see a row of tabs near the top. Click the tab labeled Forwarding and PEP/IMAP. This is where all the POP controls live. In the POP download section, you'll see the option to enable PIAP. You can turn it on for all mail, which means your email client will attempt to download your entire inbox or only for mail that arrives from now on, which limits downloads to new messages going forward. If you're just getting started or want to avoid pulling years of old mail, choosing to enable it for new messages is often the simplest route. If you do want your full archive locally, pick the all mail option and give your client time to download. Right below that, look for the setting that controls what Gmail does when messages are accessed with POPI. This determines whether Gmail keeps its copy in your inbox, marks it as read, archives it, or deletes it when your email client downloads it. For most people, keeping Gmail's copy in the inbox or archiving it is the safest choice. So you always have a copy in the cloud, even after your client downloads messages. When you're happy with your selections, scroll down and click Save Changes. That's the crucial part. Nothing is applied until you save. At this point, you can configure your email client. Open your preferred mail app, add a new account, and select the POP option when prompted. Follow the app's instructions and use the recommended Gmail POP settings from Google's help pages to ensure secure connections. After setup, send yourself a test message to confirm your client downloads it and that the behavior in Gmail matches the option you chose. As a quick tip, if you need to keep all devices perfectly in sync, consider IMAP instead. POP is best for downloading and keeping local copies. And that's it. You've enabled POP in Gmail, and you're ready to start receiving your messages in your email client.